Guys, this is Stint and today I'm gonna teach you HTML form and how we can put gradient border and here are the date picker of jQuery UI. So there's three things I will teach you step by step, and this is nice registration form and submit button, gender and something like this, right? So let's write a code and see how we can make. So I have created a project inside htdoc YouTube tutorial, and the project name is account php, and inside I have created index.html index.php file. Just drag and drop it here, right? So this is the basic HTML, but I will show you the most important thing which you don't know. That is the jQuery UI theme. This is the jQuery. I've added jQuery CDN. Okay, if you want to add, you can type it jQuery UI CDN, right? And you can click on here, and then we need to just click on theme, and here are the theme URL. Just copy and paste it here, link tag and HR, and just paste it here. So it's automatically added the jQuery UI theme here, and this is my own CSS file. I will show you in a minute, right? And this is container, full of container means this container, and have the form tag, and method is post, and autocomplete is off, right? So username, input type text, input type text, and placeholder is username, and its width and height is 60%. Width is 60%. This is the inline CSS I've added here. This is first name, input type text, and this is last name, input type text, and placeholder is last name, and this is the date picker. It just left, right? So date picker, date of birth DOB, so it's ID, input type text, and placeholder MMDD month, day and year, right? So DOB, this ID is very important. I will show you in a minute, right? And this is for passport, input type passport, and this is for confirm passport, which is a C passport, and placeholder is confirm passport, and gender is male and female. Its value is male and its value is female, because this radio button is for the female and this one is for male. And the last thing, which is input type submit button, and its ID is submit. And this is this gunman image it has in my project, which is this one, gun with man. This man, I have added it here, src, and this is a png, so I have added the extension png, and here I have added jQuery because I am using it a jQuery UI. So jQuery UI requires jQuery. So if you want to add, you can type it jQuery CDN and hit enter. So here are the lots of versions of jQuery CDN. Okay, just wait it. Okay, I need to wait. Actually, internet speed is very slow right now. Okay, it's opening till that. So jQuery and jQuery UI, I have added it here, and this is the jQuery ready function, right? So you can get it here, jQuery UI minify and uncompressed. You can copy this and paste it in your project below, above of jQuery UI. And the same thing, jQuery UI, you can also get it from jQuery UI JS file. And for the date picker, we are adding the function. This is for ready of making start to start a jQuery, initialize jQuery. So this function will initialize jQuery, and This is for DOB dollar. This is the ID selector of the jQuery DOB. So this ID should be same to this one, DOB for date picker, and I have called the function which is the date picker. So when you see like this, okay, when you click, it's a date picker has opened, and here are very small icon. When you click, it's also open of jQuery, and you can select date, right? And we have added the CSS, some basics of CSS. So this is the container. I will teach you a important part here. Here are the lots of CSS code. You can get the Z file. I will give you a link in a video description, so you can get it. So I will teach you a most important. So first we can see this gradient border in a container. So this is the container. You can see container, its width is 800 pixel, and margin left and right, top and bottom is 0 pixel, and left and right is auto, means it will center, it will be a center. So background repeat, no repeat. Padding is 10 pixel, height is 530 pixel, and radius, border radius 3 pixel. So we are talking about this border images. So this border images is gradient images, right? So this code will make this border gradient border. You can see it's looking pretty good, right? And we can make using I have added it here a prefix of all the browsers, most for Mozilla Firefox, and WebKit for the Chrome, and O for Opera, and I didn't add the MS Microsoft Office Edge and Internet Explorer for that, okay, but it will work, right? So all the thing is pretty good. Actually we have done. You can get it as zip file in a video description. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and next time I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.